I'm Don Villwock. I'm from Edwardsport, Indiana. We have behind me a 1965 806, which isn't that rare, but what is rare is it has an IH first factory cab installed upon it. We call these icebox cabs because they were so narrow and because they're white, and this is the first one that IH picked to sell from the factory. It does not have air conditioning, and I believe they did not put air conditioning on them until 1966, and it was desperately needed. That tractor cab was very hot and very dusty, and so the air conditioning was a great addition. I would say about this cab, it is extremely noisy. I remember my mother helped on the farm back then in 1965, and so that first year after we bought the tractor at Christmas, she bought us hearing protectors to put on our ears, and so to this day I think my hearing is impaired from the hours that I drove that tractor. But my dad, Carl Villwock, purchased the first one in the Midwest, so this tractor is very fond to us because of that. My dad actually traded his 806 off for a 1466, and we really lost track of the tractor. My neighbor, about 2.5 miles away, had one like his, and so for 15 years I tried to buy it from him. And so he turned 89 and he said, "Don, I don't think I'm going to get it restored. Would you like to buy it?" So anyway, we brought it home and we had it sanded down and took it all apart. And a good friend of mine, Mike Seaback, took about 6 to 8 months to restore the tractor. We put on new parts where it needed anything. What's interesting about this tractor is he used it to grind feed every day. He put it on a silage blower, and he says it has over 20,000 hours on it, and the motor has never been touched. So great engine in an 806, and he used actually Case IH red paint, which is his favorite, and says it sprays on better than some of the other fancier paints that you can buy. I said I wanted this tractor to look good forever, and he said you can't get a better paint than the Case IH paint. And then he put the clear coat on top of that. So he did a great job, and we're very proud of his efforts.